Explaining the mind map, bare versus non-bare repositories. The mind map outlines the two types of Git repositories, bare and non-bare, and their distinct roles in version control systems. 1. Bare repository. Definition. A bare repository is a Git repository that does not have a working directory. It contains only Git metadata, such as commits, branches, and tags, but no actual project files. Purpose. It is primarily used as a central repository for collaboration. Developers push and pull changes from a bare repository, but cannot edit files directly within it. Key characteristics. Stores Git data only, no working directory. Does not allow modifications to files. Serves as a remote repository hosted on platforms like GitHub or GitLab. Use case. Ideal for shared repositories that multiple contributors access remotely. Command to create. Use the command git init bare to initialize a bare repository. 2. Non-bare repository. Definition. A non-bare repository includes both the Git metadata and a working directory containing all project files. This is the standard type used for active development. Purpose. It allows developers to directly edit, track, and commit changes to files locally. Key characteristics. Includes the Git folder for metadata and the working directory for project files. Developers can modify, stage, and commit changes directly. Use case. Ideal for local development or teams working directly on their machines. Command to create. Use the command git init to initialize a non-bare repository. 3. Key differences. Working directory. Bare repositories do not have a working directory. Non-bare repositories include the working directory. Purpose. Bare repositories serve as central hubs for collaboration. Non-bare repositories are used for local development. File modifications. Bare repositories cannot edit files directly. Non-bare repositories allow direct file edits, staging, and commits. Conclusion. Bare repositories are designed for collaboration as central hubs, while non-bare repositories are used for active development. Depending on your workflow, you might use a bare repository as a remote host, e.g., GitHub, and a non-bare repository for local coding. Together, they form the backbone of Git's distributed version control system.